to my channel. Today's a lovely Sunday reset routine. I have not done a reset like this in a very long time, so I have a lot of things to do. These are my tasks for today / the weekend. I already washed my sheets and I made my bed. She's looking cute. Now I'm about to go run some errands. I need to go to Whole Foods and Sephora. I'm gonna try my best not to spend too much money at Sephora, but let's see what happens. Let's do a quick little fit check. My top is from Amazon. Skirt is H&M. Sambas, Amazon. I forgot where I got this actually. But yeah, super chill vibes. Perfect for running errands. I don't understand how it is 11 a.m. right now and it is 89 degrees in my car. Like, this heat in Miami and South Florida has been insane. Like, I just cannot handle it. I cannot wait for it to be like October, for it to just be a little bit colder. It's just so bad. It's so bad. Money because they didn't have any of the options of dry shampoo that I wanted. Like, what the heck? I guess we have to go to Whole Foods now. It's literally right next to my Sephora, which is amazing. These chips might be too small for her. I might need you to get me like other corn chips. No.
Weird looking shrimps.
I think I'm gonna do the tacos, the baked tacos. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in it.
Your mother is so excited. And what kind of shells did you buy?
Oh, I need you to get corn tortillas. Cherry cola.
That sounds interesting.
Now that I'm back, I have to do some admin work, do some work for my client. I've been obsessed with watching the show Summer House. If you guys have seen it before, I don't know what it is. I think I'm still craving like reality TV since Love Island finished last week, and I need that like fix. So I'm watching Summer House. It's honestly not like that amazing of a show, but the drama is keeping me going. So I'm gonna keep watching it. So it's been some time. I've been doing a lot of work that was helping my dad with groceries and putting everything away. I was about to go wash my car, but then it's literally pouring rain. So now I'm trying to figure out if I should just do something else on my list. I do want to clean my makeup brushes. So I think I'm just gonna do that now, cook dinner after, because it's already like 4 p.m. Surprisingly, I thought I was gonna be spending my whole entire day like doing all these tasks and like trying to do all this reset stuff, but I've had time to like chill, which is nice. So let's go clean my makeup brushes. ground beef. We're gonna make baked beef tacos. It's gonna be nice and crispy. It is time. It is time. It is time. It is time. Just finished watching the second to last episode of House of the Dragon season 2. It was juicy. It was a juicy one. I really don't know what to expect for the last episode of the season, but we'll see what happens. One last thing that I need to tick off my weekend reset is to laser my legs. I've been doing at-home laser for the past month and a half, I think. I've had this machine for a month and a half, and the difference in my legs is insane. I've been doing my legs, my armpits, my bikini line, face, because I have really thick hair on my face, my neck specifically. This has been a game changer. I'm obsessed with this. I try and do it once a week. I do one different body part every day-ish or every other day, every week. So I shave and then I will do the laser treatment because you're supposed to be completely clean shaven before doing the treatment. I'm gonna link this in my storefront. I'm obsessed with this, and the difference in my leg hair specifically, because that's like the one thing I feel like is the most noticeable, but like half my leg hair is completely gone and is not growing back. It's just amazing. I'm gonna do this while I watch one last episode of Summer House, and then I'm gonna go to sleep.